Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where somebody's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will be back at market open. Okay, I have an order at $8.70 for some puts here. So I want to see this thing spike up a bit more. Okay, so at this point, let's go to 820. Like I said, want to see this thing come up a little bit more. And I will try to play some puts. I will pause for now. Okay, I have an order at $7.70 now for going to change it down to $7.20 now. So we'll see if this thing can push up just a bit higher. See if I can get filled on some puts. I will go ahead and pause for now. I'm going to go ahead and try to pick up put here at $8.50. Got that. Just one. All right, not really doing the best here. So let's see if I can just I'm trying now. Looking at just, and I'm in lost control mode right now. Let's see if this thing can at least come up to 750 and fill me. All right, let's go to 7 then. Wow. You know, I'm trying not to panic out of this one, but in hindsight right now, it's looking like maybe I should have just gotten out way back when. But like I said, let's see if it wants to at least come up and hit me at 7. Can I get out at 7? Again, totally in lost control mode right now. All right, out there for a $150 loss. Maybe I could have gotten $7.50, but as you saw, it just kept drifting further and further against me. So I never really needed to, panic out and take some sort of, hit the bid to hop out. So there's $7.50. So, okay. But that's all hindsight here. So yeah, that could have been a $100 loss. But $7.50 really started to feel like, okay, I don't even think $7.50 is possible. And who knows, maybe this thing rolls completely over and I would have been, able to get a break even or whatever. But we're completely talking in hindsight right now. So that was just an example of lost control mode, where, like I said, I knew I was going to take a loss. It was just, okay, I don't want to freak out and panic out and take, a $250, $300 loss, when if I'm just a little patient with it, I could take, a $150 loss on it. Because $150 within the grand scheme of things, I'll be okay. But wow, yeah, that move just went and typical. Got in right there, thought, okay, maybe it's ready to roll over here a little bit, but ultimately did not. All right, I'll pause and see what else I can find. Okay, I have an order at 670. Try to pick up some calls here. I'm gonna go to I was getting close for a second. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I'm at 620. Okay, we gotta go to 570 now. See if it wants to drop down a bit more. Or do I want to change strike prices is a question too. All right, I will go ahead and pause for now. Okay, I have an order at 1120. Change that to 1070. There is a bit of a guessing game with options. You never quite know where the price is going to be. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 920 now for some calls. All right, let's try 870 now. So 870. I'll go ahead and pause. All right, going to try to pick up. Put here at 1050. And just being difficult to get filled. All right, I'll pause. Okay, maybe here. Still not filled. All right, well, I'm going to go to 1020 now. All right, there we go. In at 1020. And out there for a quick little $50 scalp. Never was not trying to get everything back. So just keeping things in context there. All right, I'll pause. Let's see what else I can find. Okay, I have an order at 920 here. Actually, you know what? I'm trying to time this up with yeah, let's go to 870. And we'll see if this thing wants to pop up a bit more. I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 1020. Gonna go ahead and change that to 970. I will pause. All right, I have an order at $12. So let's see if it wants to make a bit more of a move up. I will keep you updated. Okay, I have an order at 970 here. Let's see this thing come up a bit more. Might have gotten too greedy. Yeah, so at this point I do have to change it. I know I'm always changing my orders, but that comes with the territory of this strategy that I'm using right now. But okay, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 1320 here. Oh, come on. Got so close. So go down to 1220 now. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 1020. Big move to the downside. Maybe I'll get filled on one of these. Just got to remind myself all it takes is one. And this move is really picking up acceleration, so I'm gonna get a little bit more conservative. But if I can get filled here, I'm feeling really good about it. Like I said, just need to see one more push to the downside. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I'm at 980. I'm going to get filled regardless. I don't care. I'm sick and tired of pausing for you guys and then not getting filled. Okay, in. And out for another quick $50. So my stubbornness paid off, just refusing to not get filled on that one. I'm kidding. But that was one where, okay, I need to, I'm willing to go bigger size at a better price point. Let me just double check. Yeah, 720. If this thing wants to come down to 720, then I'm going for 5 contracts at that level. So we'll see if we can get another move to the downside here. But that was just another quick $50 scalp. So this next trade, if I get filled, could very, very, very realistically get me back to the green. But these other two that I've taken, they have not been designed to get me back to the green. I'm just taking little quick pot shots. So, but this next one, if I get filled, is certainly, it is intended to get me green. Granted, to get green, I'm only down $50 right now. So it's not like I'm saying this in a YOLO type way or anything like that. But I am saying this next trade would certainly be designed to get me back into the green. But like I said, I want to see SPY more so down around the 435 mark. So we're about 50 cents away. Seems possible. This thing's got some good movement in it right now. So I will pause for now and keep you updated. Well, that is all I have. I apologize for the, okay, I think I'm going to get it filled and stop and starts. But at the same time, I'm not sorry because that's just the reality of trading. And that's the catch-22 of these live trade videos where I don't know what's coming next. So I'd rather err on the side of caution because I'd hate to miss an actual entry point. So like I said, sorry, but not sorry because that's, that's just the realistic side of trading is sometimes you're just not going to quite get filled. But overall, closing down $50 with commissions, let's just call it $60. So sometimes you just got to survive so you can thrive another day. And today was just one of those survival days where I had to go into loss management mode. And unfortunately, I had to take a bigger loss than probably what I wanted to because it kept going against me. But I'm glad I didn't panic out and take something bigger than what it also needed to be. So if you enjoy these, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.